Hello students, this is Neetu Shrivastava and again I am going to discuss with you lesson number 6 in English 1 book work and along with the copy work. Children, as you know that your exam is coming up after 15 days, so it's my suggestion whatever copy work teachers are giving you, complete it on time and upload on the link. So children, let's start with the book work and now open your lesson 6 book exercise. Now, children, in first part you are seeing the question is fill in the blanks. Children, you have I hope that you have read you have recited the poem many times and you have learned the poem also. So now start with the first statement. I met a little. What is the answer, children? Yes, elf. The answer is elf, and here E will start with the capital ELF. Now, second statement, I asked him why he was so small. Yes. So, spelling of small is SMALL. Now, children, in third part, you are saying the statement is he slightly frowned and with his dark eyes. The spelling of frowned is FROWNED. The last statement is I am quite as big for me, said he. So this is the children fill in the blanks, and I hope you will complete it with the correct spelling and with the beautiful handwriting. Now go to the next page. Now just right side of the book you are seeing, children, match the following question has given. In this part, children, you are seeing that I have written left side the number 1 2 3 4 5. See like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Same way I have written right side what is the correct matching. Now children, you have to make a pair of the things like wheel what is suitable with the chair. So this is first one. Second, door के साथ क्या suitable है? This is bell, doorbell. This is the second number I have written. Third word is given bath which is fitted with the word bathroom. Moon just light, so I have written 4 here. Bath, again bathtub, it is just correct with this. Home, work. So this way, children, you have understood that this you have to complete the match the following easily. Now children, I am going to start the copy work. So children, take out your English 1 copy and start the copy work. Children, you are seeing in this part, same way children, you have to start this work with a new page. And what you will do, children, first? Yes, you will make 2-line headline as I have made. The upside you will write lesson, 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 then lesson number 6 and the poem The Little Elf. Children, in the first part I have given you word along with its meaning. Okay, so children, you will draw the standing line like this and you will start with the first word elf. Elf means a small creature with pointed ears. Now children, you have seen this creature in this poem The Little Elf. That elf has a long ears. Okay. Now second word is frowned. Brought eyebrows together. Brought eyebrows together. This is second word. Now children, I am showing you the copy work and you will write slowly. I am holding for 1 minute. Children, while you writing, be careful that your handwriting should be neat and clean and no spelling mistake should be there. Means if you speak and write this way, you will write the spelling correct and you will speak the correct pronunciation also. Now children, go to the next page. Means next word meaning. Then next word meaning is quite. The meaning of quite is not very. NOT, not VERY, very. The last word meaning is slight. Slight means very small. So this children, this is the difficult words, or we can say the word meaning also. Now children, downside you are seeing the next question. This is give answer in 1 word. In this poem, children, I have written, given 3 questions and which you have to give the answer in 1 word. If you have recited, if you have learned the poem properly, then you will answer these questions easily. Now let's see what is the first question. First question is, where did the little girl meet the elf? The answer is sunflower garden. Okay children, sunflower garden is the correct answer of this question. Now go to the next question. Children, you will write slowly also. I am just holding for a few seconds. Okay. Children, be attentive for the spelling. And children, I am just telling you, if you are not knowing the spelling, please learn it nicely. Now go to the next question. Second question number. The second question is, to whom the elf man showed his anger? To whom the elf man showed his anger? The little girl. Okay. The answer is little girl. Now last question is the question of write two rhyming words for each. Now children, few words I have given and you have to write the same sound of the word, like blow, slow. Blow word I have given, the rhyming word is slow, glow. Second word is frown. Frown rhyming word is crown, then brown. Dark, park, bark. So children, I hope it is a very simple and easy exercise for you, and you are doing the rhyming words from the beginning of the class, means from nursery. So children, I hope you have understood the book work and copy work easily. And please children, as you will complete your work, send it on the student link as soon as possible. So children, take care of yourself. Bye bye.